यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक.
Together here to celebrate the 15th National Voters' Day, a day that reminds us of the power of our vote and our responsibility as the citizens of this great democracy. As we begin, let me welcome our
having abiding faith in the democracy, hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free and to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by considerations of religion, race, caste, community, language, or any inducement. Thank you, sir.
Stanzin Oldan from Choklamsar. Naeen Mokhtar from Chushochamma, Zakwa Bhatt from Housing Colony, Kabir Khalid Giri, Stanzin Oldan from Housing Colony, Saima Banu from Leh, Muzaffar Khan from Skampari Leh, Samana Zohra from Leh, Dechendolkar from Choklamsar, Stanzin Itok Wahmo from Sabu, Tashi Chondol from Chushut, Patma Ladol from Sankar. Please accept the award from our Chief Electoral Officer, Shri Yatindra M. Marlakar, sir. Next, from the Kargil district, the best BLO goes to Mohammad Sadiq, the BLO of Polling Station Baru. Sir, please come on the stage to receive the esteemed award. Mohammad Sadiq from the BLO from the Kargil district, BLO of Polling Station Baru. Please give them a thunderous applause to our exceptional state body BLOs. Congratulations on receiving these prestigious award. Your dedication, perseverance and commitment to electoral excellence have earned you the well-deserved recognition. Ensuring free and fair and transparent election has earned him the respect and admiration of his peers, colleagues and the people of Leh. This prestigious award is testament to Sir for his outstanding contribution to electoral excellence and voter awareness. Thank you, sir.
National Voters Day, I extend my warm greetings to all the participants present here. The National Voters Day is celebrated all over India with big funfair, and this year's theme is Nothing Like Voting, I Vote for Sure. This event is celebrated every year on 25th January to mark the foundation of the Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India make every effort to create electoral awareness among the citizens and to encourage, facilitate and maximize the enrollment of new voters in the electoral roll and increase the participation in voting. India is a democratic country. Every citizen, irrespective of caste, creed and religion, has the basic right to vote. Voting is not just a right, but a responsibility of all eligible voters to exercise their adult franchise for building a strong base for a vibrant democracy. There are many elections coming up back to back, like Panchayat election, municipality election, LHDC election. Our request is that the voters should show their full participation in all elections, not only specific to Lok Sabha election. Then only our democratic setup will survive and will be protected. During the last Lok Sabha election, many Bollywood celebrities like Shakti Kapoor, Mukesh Khanna, Kanwaljit, Vidhu Vinod Chopra, Painter, etc. came forward to encourage voters of Ladakh for their participation in election.